Hello, for the chair, the leg massager cannot lift up and down. The problem is about the leg massager lifting motor. First, you need to check if this iron is connected correctly, just like this one. You see, the upper side is connected here with a screw and a nut, and here there is another connector here. See if it is connected correctly. If this one is connected correctly, you press the leg, adjust the leg button on the remote controller. See if the leg massager can lifting up and down. If yes, means the motor is okay. The problem is about the sensor. If the leg massager cannot be lifted up and down by pressing those keys, it means that the motor is out of power. Then the problem is met because the connector is losing. Let's see from the back side of the chair. This is the leg massager lifting motor. It has a cable goes down. This one is for the power supply, and this is the sensor, and this cable is for the sensor. You will need to find the connector, see if it is loose. If no, then the problem is mainly because of the motherboard. The motherboard is here. You see, you remove the cover of the electronic board. You will see this one is the motherboard, and here this plug, the one with the socket with the yellow color, this is the sensor of the leg massager lifting motor. And on the other side, this one with the red color, this is the power supply socket of the leg massager lifting motor. So if all the plugs and connectors is clear and the leg massager lifting motor does not work at all, then you may need to check this plug. See if it is loose or the cable of the plug. See this cable and this cable. See if the cable is loose or damaged. If everything is clear, then you may need to replace the motherboard. And if you can lift the leg massager up and down on the remote controller, but it just cannot go back to the reset position automatically. So the problem is about the sensor. Check if this plug is loose, or if the connector between this cable and the sensor is loose. If everything is clear, check if the cable here is damaged. If no, then you may also need to replace the sensor here. The sensor sometimes might damage or have some problem. You need to replace the sensor. If replace the sensor does not resolve the problem, you may need to consider about the motherboard again. Replace the motherboard.